Oh, hey guys. Hey, welcome back to Authority Designs. This will be a New Year's video. Hopefully I can get it edited, published before midnight tonight. The main thing today is the KA motor. Yes, getting back on the 240. Plan is for the next 2.5 hours is finish buttoning up this motor. We got to torque the camshaft bolts down, put the cam sprockets on, timing chain, all that good stuff. Then we're gonna go to throw all the accessories on there, wrap it back up, stick it in the corner, and hopefully in the next 2 weeks we get the headlights in for the G35. Yep, we need new headlights. And take that one to the house, bring the 240 here. Minimal space, so we gotta do a flip-flop. Thing is though, once the 240 gets in here, it's a straight push to get the thing done. So I'm hoping to have it on the road for Spring Fest in April. I don't know, but hey, we can make all the plans we want. See what Uncle Murphy got to say. But anyway, let me go ahead and pull this stand around, get it out here, so when Josh shows up, we can just get to work.
How tight were you putting it?
I was hand tighten.
Like as tight as you could go? Oh damn, yeah, that's at least like 25, 30 pounds.
Yeah, that's why they were snapping. I didn't think about that. Yeah, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, we got proper set. So unfortunately we didn't finish the whole motor, but it is timed. Oil pump is on. Upper cover we couldn't put on because we shaved the head, so we got to do the same thing to the upper cover. But other than that, she's timed. So, Happy New Year. This is how far we got. Appreciate you guys watching. Video is not ending here because I have one last thing to show you. Yeah, I run to the house. And later, but hey, we're gonna go to the house. I'm gonna show y'all we're preparing for something else.
Turn the light off.
All right, here we go. This is what I had to show you before we go to that. Hat, sweatshirt, and a t-shirt mailed to you, $50. Let's get some orders in. You get a hat, sweatshirt, and a t-shirt. And the shirt comes with a picture of the car on it. $50 mailed to you anywhere in the United States or one of the territories. $50, don't forget. So, hey, right here, this is what we got. We got them Nismo seats, just like I wanted. All right, and as you can see, car is on the ground. Meaning a few things. We're getting ready to take it to the shop. As you saw, K is pretty much 90% where it's supposed to be. Button a few things up and put the transmission on there. Time to get it in the car. All right. It's on the ground, people. On the ground. All right. But hey, I really need your guys' help. Okay. It's hard times. Not everybody can be a Patreon, and I admit videos have not been flowing like they should. I apologize, but hey, help me out. I'll hook you up. Hat, sweatshirt, and a t-shirt. $50 to your door. Just let me know what color you want, and I'll hook it up. All right. Hey, Happy New Year's to y'all. Be safe out there. Be safe. All right. Just came from Walmart. It's a madhouse. People are driving crazy. Everybody's in a rush. All right. But 2020, a couple hours around the corner, and we're getting ready. All right. But hey, again, feast your eyes. That right there. All right. Hey, appreciate y'all. Love you. Thank you. Those of you sharing the videos, helping me out. Hey, Jordan, I didn't mention the last video with the VQ, the Infinity, but hey, I appreciate your help. All right. If it weren't for Josh and you, probably would have been a little while longer to get that thing going. All right. Josh, you're the doc. I say it all the time. I appreciate you, man. And let's get this powerhouse on the road. All right, because after this one's done, I got more up my sleeve. Appreciate y'all. Happy New Year. Prosperous 2020. And I'll see you on the other side. All right. Bye.